welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. It's Christmas break. Everybody is fighting, everybody is loud. In a day, there is already 4 full laundry baskets. Right now is a very loud and very full house, but it is full of love. So I'm gonna appreciate all the knocks and bumps and crashes I hear. I am very grateful. And you know what else I'm grateful for? Girl, I finally got my hands on one. Y'all have heard me go on and on all year long about drawstring wigs and how much I love them and how they're the best thing ever in the world. And if I could only get my hands on a kinky straight drawstring wig, life would be complete. Well, guess what? I have finally got my hands on a kinky straight drawstring wig. Thank you, Merry Christmas. Baby, this is it. Lisa knows me, man. So the accessories included a wig cap, edge brush, rat tail comb, essential. My favorite clips. The alligator clip can hold a large volume of hair. Baby, this thing is 250% density. I just want you guys to appreciate the volume with me. This is like 8 bundles. This is so much hair. This is a pre-everything. She's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I'm still stuck on 250 density. I love the cap construction of these drawstring wigs so much. I don't know how they're gonna improve on this because this is the ultimate design. All right, 9 by 6 inches of parting space, boom, 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 right? So like I mentioned before, it's pre-cut, so you also have the C shape right here that's over the ears, so you don't have to worry about customizing the wig so that you have that clearance over your ear, right? It's got 2 temple combs on either side, and then 1 nape comb in the back, and all of these are removable. Now this Velcro can stand up to a tug, okay? This is wig shift proof, but if you want to, you can remove it really easily because sometimes when you pull this elastic, it can bunch up, but if you need that additional security, you can just plop it right back. You have this anti-slip grip silicone material in the zigzaggy pattern that's around the base of the perimeter, and then you have this elastic drawstring. You pinch this in and then you would lock it tight towards your wig for ultimate comfort and snuggability. Not only does it take 2 seconds to put on, it takes 2 seconds to take off. And that is almost just as important in my opinion. I love getting unready almost as much as I love getting ready. Also this year, my healthy hair journey kind of went through a renaissance and I started paying more attention to my routine, locked into a good solid one, and that is one where I am protecting my edges and babying my hair and treating my hair like a princess so it actually grows and listens to me and stop being defiant. Drawstring wigs that do not require any kind of prep at all or no ball cap method or nothing have really allowed my hairline to just grow and be nourished and thrived. So that's another reason why I like these kind of wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on and you're gonna see it takes 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this elastic drawstring is doing all of the heavy lifting. I'm gonna pull it tight and then I'm gonna pinch it and bring it back up to my nape. And it will be good to go. And she's installed. Immediately, she's on. Like, tell me what glue is gonna do that in the same amount of time. Like the thickness alone, this is 1/2 of the hair that I have on my head. It's so much hair. Okay, so let's get into the hairline. So like I said before, it's already been pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached. The lace is HD, which means once I apply some mousse onto this, it is going to legit disappear into my skin. Now I just adjusted it. My part is a little off, but this is perfectly centered on my head, and I wanted to do that so you can see exactly where that lace ends right there. Perfect. So this is the hairline without any altering and before customization. So I think it'd be really nice to show off the beauty of this texture if I just do what I'm always doing with Kinky Straight. I do one style with Kinky Straight and that is wand curls. I just feel like it showcases the softness of this texture. This is such a beautiful feminine texture, and when you add those bouncy big cloud-like curls to it, it just does something for me. So these are my tools that are going to assist me with this hairstyle today. I have my wand curler. This gets extremely hot. It has never failed me yet. Jinx. Then I have this pressing comb because I'm going to change up my hairline a little bit. So I have some mousse because I'm going to lay my edges down, probably change my part. I'm also going to use an elastic band to melt my edges. But I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of and then be back to continue styling. about 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this elastic band, and my hairline should be good. Oh, wow. Okay, it's been longer than 20 minutes. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. All right, let me brush this out. So I have all my tools. It's time to get to work. Like, how do you not fall in love with this texture? I'm gonna add some glosser because I like the shine. Wand curls on Kinky straight hair will always eat. I don't care how good your skills are, how terrible your skills are. If you know how to operate this, just stick with it, okay? Just do your whole head and you will come out with this result that is so elegant and so pretty. I love it so much. So I'm just using my hands to kind of fluff out these curls a little bit. We don't need any help in the volume area. But look at this. Super pretty hair. So this is what she looks like. It's 20 inches long, like I mentioned before. I am 5'4", 3/4. It's such a Barbie hairstyle. It just reminds me of one of my Christies. I know one of them girls had some highlights like this. She just has the perfect amount of volume, the perfect luster. Kinky straight, man. Got my heart forever. You come home, you take this thing out, throw it across the room, okay? Because that elastic drawstring. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen, and I have nothing to get changed into because this is my uniform today. I'm sitting on the couch, I'm gonna drink some hot cocoa. This is the final look. Thank you so much, WowAfrican. This is completely gorgeous. Look at this. I'll make sure that I put all the information about this gorgeous unit in the description box below. I'm telling you, go on Instagram, go on TikTok, and search up Kinky straight curls. This texture will make you fall in love. It's just so soft and feminine. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. I will make sure towards the end of the video I show more close-ups of the hair and the hairline, and I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a safe and happy Merry Christmas season. Stay safe and take care.